Welcome to the Flatbed Felix pedal car build. We'll take you through a step-by-step process to gain the skills required to build a 1927 Chevrolet pedal car from the comfort of your own shed. My name's Vaughan. For the past 30 years I've been building and restoring classic cars in my workshop MotorRetro. I've trained hundreds of students and apprentices, and with the help of my colleagues Georgio and Ezio, we'll be guiding you through the build process. I'll be taking you through the fabrication and the metal shaping process. We'll go from flat sheet metal to beautiful finished shapes, swages, shrinking, stretching, and I'll be taking you through the majority of the build.
Hi, I'm Georgio, metalwork teacher and co-founder of MotorRetro. I'll be taking you through welding setup and tips and techniques.
And I'm Ezio, a woodworking teacher and longtime friend of the boys, and I'm here to take you through the woodwork side of the build. In this series, I'll be showing you various hand skills and machining techniques to make all the components that we need for our pedal cart build. We'll be working from plans, measuring, marking, transferring the measurements onto various parts. We'll be using various cutting tools, sanding techniques, using a hole saw, routering techniques, using thicknesses, chisels, hammers, all those things to get you through and complete the project.
In this series, we'll demonstrate the wood and metalworking skills required to build a pedal car modelled off the original 1927 Hare Forbes delivery truck to help celebrate the 95th year of business. Through each episode, we'll be demonstrating how to use hand tools and machinery the correct way, along with tips and tricks on how to speed up the process.
Whether you're a home hobbyist with basic hand tools or an experienced fabricator with a fully equipped garage, this series is for you.
Even if you don't build a pedal cart, this series will elevate your workshop skills, which will give you confidence to work on any future projects.
So grab yourself a coffee, let's get in the shed and we'll start fabricating this pedal car together.